different types of beneficiaries and how do they impact on the payout process?
Payout. Okay. So there are actually three
Mm.
types of beneficiaries. We have the primary, we have the secondary, and we have the contingent. So ang importante manggod ana gyud is kana yung family nimo. Primary gyud imong family kay kinsa may magka-problema in kaso matay na ang owner sa policy or insured. So it should be the family. Na may uban nga ang beneficiary butang nila company, but that's gonna be a different story, different conversation, or different episode na ma-discuss, no? Na kung imuhang beneficiary is your own company. Yes.
And then, when it comes to beneficiaries, pwede ba nga primary? Let's say, for example, no, primary niya is ang family. Then, gusto siya nga secondary is ato sa mga charity or mga organizations. Pwede rin po na ingana ang setup.
Yes. It is 100% pwede gud ina nga setup. Basta, primary, kung wala ang primary, di ako secondary na mga beneficiary. Ang nakanindot sa life insurance is you can designate who will be the beneficiary.
Yes.
Kaya kung wala ka beneficiary, for example, sa proceeds bitaw, for example, in a scenario of ang beneficiary o ang policyholder namatay, dungan, makulangan, nadungan, kinsa may beneficiary nga, ang beneficiary na appeal man. So, diha na mo sud ang katong contingent, diha na mo sud ang hierarchy. Kinsay pwede makakuha sa proceeds or sa claims. Yes. So, mato, primary, secondary, and contingent beneficiary.